Hello children, hope you all are fine. You must have gone the previous two videos of this chapter 3, the food we eat. You must have understood the three categories in which the food items are divided: energy giving food, bodybuilding food, and protective food. The food which gives us energy to do our daily activities comes under the category of energy giving food. The food which which builds our body, repairs the wear and tear of the body, are called bodybuilding food, and the food items which protect us from diseases are called protective food. The best examples of energy giving food are rice, chapatis, bread, sugar, potato, milk, butter, ghee, etc. The examples of bodybuilding food are milk, eggs, cheese, fish, beans, pulses, meat, etc. And protective food, the examples are green leafy vegetables and all the fruits and milk products. Now, then we studied the balanced diet, the diet which contains all the three categories of food in right amount is said balanced diet. Milk is called the wholesome food or a complete food because it is present in all the three categories of food items: energy giving food, bodybuilding food, and protective food comes in it. Milk provide all these three, so it is called a complete food. This much we have studied yesterday. Now today, a food item that contains about 96% water is cucumber. Now, healthy food habits. There are some healthy food habits which we should follow strictly in our day to day life. First one is fresh fruits and certain vegetables should not be cooked. Instead, they should be taken raw in the form of salad. It is so because if these food items are cooked, many protective nutrients may be lost due to heat. The items which can be eaten raw should be taken as such because cooking kills many of the nutrients. Hard to digest food items should be cooked. Cooking makes food softer and easier to digest. It also improves the taste and the smell of food. Cooking food also kills harmful germs. These are the benefits of cooking food. We should cook food those who are easy to digest, those who are difficult to digest. So because cooking makes the food softer, easy to digest, tastier, it smells good, and it also cooking also kills the harmful germs. You should drink plenty of clean water to stay healthy. Hands have many germs, so we should always wash them with soap before and after meals. This practice you must be following nowadays because of corona. Wash your hands before and after meals, wash them for 20 seconds and thoroughly. Do not eat food which is exposed to dust and flies, it may cause diseases. Don't eat exposed food, which uncovered food. Always wash fruits and vegetables before eating. It removes germs and eggs of worms which may be sticking to them. Always wash fruits and vegetables before eating raw because there may be some germ or the eggs of the germs sticking to it. Wash vegetables before peeling. If they are washed after peeling and cutting, useful nutrients get washed away with water. Vegetables should be washed thoroughly before peeling and before cutting, not after cutting. Fruits as well as vegetables. Now these are some points to remember. Food gives us energy, help us to work, and keeps us healthy and strong. Then food can be classified into three groups: energy giving food, bodybuilding food, and protective food. Our daily diet should include proper form, all the groups in proper amount. This is called a balanced diet. Some food items, if eaten raw, make the body healthy. Cooking makes food soft and better in taste. It also kills the disease causing germs. We should follow healthy food habit. This is all about the chapter food we eat. Hope you all have understood. Now it's time to do the exercises. Tick the correct option. Food items like sugar and rice are energy giving food, bodybuilding food, protective food, none of these. The answer is energy giving food. Sugar and rice are the best example of energy giving food. Dash helps the body to grow and repair wear and tear. Bodybuilding food. Milk and its products are energy giving food, bodybuilding food, protective food, all of these. All of these. Milk products are all of these. They are energy giving also, bodybuilding also, and protective also. Cooking food makes it soft, easy to digest, tasty. All of these. Then which of the following statements is correct? We should eat uncovered food? No. Never wash never wash fruits before eating? No. Wash fruits and vegetables before eating? Yes. Never chew your food properly? No. So the answer is C. Wash fruits and vegetables before eating. True and false. We should take balanced diet. True. Yes, we should take balanced diet. Fruits and vegetables are bodybuilding foods. False. We should drink plenty of water. True. Green leafy vegetables are called protective food. Yes, true. We should eat only one type of food. No. A balanced diet contains all the three types of food in right amount. So the answer is false. The answers are true, false, true, true, and false. Now here are some pictures, and we have to write E for energy giving food, B for bodybuilding food, and P for protective food in the box given. So these eggs are the main source of bodybuilding food. B, rice, energy giving food. E, then mango. Mango is also E. We can write E in, or no, we can write P also. Protective food, because it comes in the category of fruits. So P, protective food. Then carrot, protective food. Ghee, energy giving food. E. Then chapatis, energy giving food. This is ladyfinger, vegetable, protective food. Beans, bodybuilding food. B. Then meat, B, bodybuilding food. And then butter, this is energy giving food. So these exercises, if you have book, then do it in your book. Otherwise, I will send you PDF tomorrow. You can go through the PDF, do the exercises in the notebook, or in whatever pages you have, you can do in that. And if you have book, then do there. And question answers I will give you tomorrow. Thank you.